Okay, so we're gonna do a grocery haul in the trunk because I'm in a rush. So I'm going to take this stuff in the house little by little and show y'all what I got. So I got.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I stay. I'm a pretty boss, look almost your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you back. Ooh. I'm the girl that they don't talk about, quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Eggs you can unseal, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel all that I know you like it, can't fight it. I might let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves. I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I stay. I'm a pretty boss, look almost your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you back. Ooh. I'm the girl that they don't talk about, quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Eggs you can unseal, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel all that I know you like it, can't fight it. I might let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
Okay, so we're gonna do a grocery haul in the trunk because I'm in a rush. So I'm going to take this stuff in the house little by little and tell y'all what I got. So I got 2 things of cereal, Reese's Puffs and Grams, and then almond milk in this bag and a half a gallon of regular milk in this bag. So it's almond milk unsweetened. In this bag, all this stuff is from Kroger, by the way. I got loaded potatoes. Let's see, this is a herb wrap, spinach herb wrap. Then edamame, 2 things of bacon bites, and some, what is this? Some carrot and peas in that bag. Oh, and some of these little bits. You'll see these in one video. And this, let's see, in this bag, it is light bowls for the refrigerator because light is out. These are spiraled vegetables. I got 3 things of butter, some Lowry's red top, and some waffle bowls for ice cream. I have shrimp in this bag, 2 little pasta kit meal things that you put in the microwave for easy quick lunches. Another spiral, this one's is zucchini, the other one was spaghetti squash, some Gouda, and some black pepper. In this bag, it's nothing but Fritos chips and my favorite noodles. I got 2 bags of the chili flavor and then 1 of the originals. You can take this stuff like this.
Put it on the table?
You can actually put it up. I got 3 things of Pringles. I'm gonna do something with the cans, and I got barbecue, salt and vinegar. I'm taking that to work. Some white peach drink. I want to try this, so I got that. I'm taking that to work, and some Duke's mayonnaise. Put that in there. Okay, in this bag I got, they were buy one get one, so I got some, what is this, some Kraft thick brioche bread, which is pretty good. We had some and I had to go get another one because we ate it all. What, Lacey? Wait, no, I'm doing, wait. Okay, so in this bag I got 2 different kinds, so we can see. I got ice cream for the kids. This is a Dragon's Dream. I got that, and then I got some lemon sherbet and some raspberry sherbet. I also got some white Magnum. I think this is the cookie crumble, and then over there is some chicken sausage and another one of those butters. And here is 2 bundles of bananas. And here, which is from Aldi, I got some frozen mango. This is the strawberry, pineapple, mango, and peach flavor. And I got some frozen strawberries. I got 2 things of broccoli florets, some bacon for BLTs, some ground turkey in here, and then a pack of chicken breast. It's 4 in there and they're huge. Some chicken sausage, which is my favorite, some breakfast sausage, and 2 things of ground beef. In this bag, which is from Kroger, I got animal crackers and my favorite vanilla wafers, and that's the only thing that's in that bag. In this bag, again, some noodles and some more butter, and then this right here for my udon noodles. So I got some udon noodles. In this bag, it is spinach, 2 salad kits. 1 is Caesar, the other one is avocado ranch, 1 cucumber, and a head of lettuce, and some romaine. Oh, and olive oil because we were out of olive oil, and some Italian dressing. It's in this bag too. 2 pizzas, 1 pepperoni, and 1 combination. A bag of boxes, boxes of no, a box of bags. And then we got our variety. What is it? Yogurt. We always get a case, 1 full case, and it's always cherry, blueberry, peach, raspberry, strawberry, and strawberry banana. And pass it to the. In this bag, which is from Walmart, I don't know why they had gave me these little folded looking bags. I got some more noodles, and then some corn. Oh, and that's that other pasta, broccoli pasta thing. And then 2 packs of ballpark franks. Okay. So, and back here, I got 1 bag of mild cheddar. I may have to go back and get more. Some mozzarella, some Greek yogurt, some fluffy biscuits. I got 2 of those, and some chives, sour cream, and onion. It's chives, onion, sour cream cheese spread for my wraps. Those there. And then in this bag, it's mostly breads. I got 2 things of split wheat, some pretzel sticks for snacks, a bag of chips, some hot dog buns, some Caesar salad croutons, some tortilla strips for salads, and oh, there's the Italian dressing, some Italian dressing, and some ketchup. That's it for that bag. And last but not least, the box. It has potatoes, some orange juice, apple juice, 2 things of apple juice, and I'm pretty sure that is it. I will show you guys how me putting it up, but again, like I said, I'm running late. And so if you like this video, please like and subscribe, comment down below. Yes, I am a full-time working mom. I go to work from 2 to 10. So right now I just went grocery shopping, and this should last us a couple weeks, but with fillers in between. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe down below, and say hey to Lacey in the comments. Bye.